Hi, Bestie. I have some Happy Mail. Happy Mail. So, if you love Happy Mail, this video just might be for you. So, let's go ahead and get started to see exactly what I got. Hi, Bestie. If you're new to my page, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Karen, and I have some Happy Mail that I want to share with you. And I think first I'm going to start off with the envelope, then I'll get to cloth and paper. Let me know how you're doing in the chat. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Alright, let me know if you're one of my budget besties or my planner besties. Let me know in the comments so I will know. It would help me know better with my content. Alright, so let's get into my first. This is by Mari Plans. Okay, Mari, she did open up her shop again. Look at this, guys. This is a ribbon. Move with Mari. Celebrate your strength. Her birthday is this month, and she created this cute little bundle. I absolutely love this. Absolutely cute. And I hate that it got wet in the mailbox because that messed up a little bit. But I'm so excited to join in with Mary Plans to get to moving, walking for her birthday. So yeah, her 42nd birthday is this month of July. And she created this. This is actually a freebie that she created. But her shop is open again on Etsy. And here's the sticker sheet because she makes some beautiful stickers. She does hand lettering. And I will have her Etsy shop information in the description. So check her out. If you're an OG planner girl, you probably know about Mari Plans because she is not new to this. But she did reopen her shop probably a month or so ago. And I am so glad that she is back. Alright, so now let's get into my cloth and paper. So the cloth and paper order came in. I think I got it last week. I think I got the order last week, but I never got to open it. So here I am. It's not a huge order. And it's from the recent new release that I had. So I know I used some reward points as well, because I really didn't know what I wanted or if I wanted anything. Now, I didn't get any of the 2027 inserts. If you got any planner inserts, let me know in the comments, and what size planner do you use. Alright. So let me open this up. So we got our envelope. Let's see what freebie I got. Let's see. Alright, so we got some stickers, and I got a different card. Cool. And its intention box was revealed, so that's the month of July theme. And it does have a code on the back of the card here. And we got the sticker sheet. So we always get like a sticker sheet or sticky notes as a freebie. So I ended up getting this bookmark here. It's a reward, so I didn't have to pay for this. Because I was like, I have so many reward points. I was like, what can I get? Now I do already have this black one, but hey, I don't think I can never have enough of that. Alright, so I took the packaging off of it. But this right here, it does match one of my planners. And I have it in one of my blackout planners. So I just said, let me go ahead and get that. But this is where I actually purchased these magnetic bookmarks here. Because I don't have this color. This is a new collection. And I love the little eclipse. So that is what I got in my order. Let me know if you got anything from the new releases. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap thumbs up, engage with me in the comments, and hype my video up, bestie. And hopefully you have a great day.